Hey everybody, welcome to Making with Mod Podge. I'm Steve Piacenza.
And I'm Cathy Fillion, and today we are making a birthday calendar, but instead of those wood discs that normally hang off of one of these, we're using peg people.
And of course we had to go one step further and paint out each peg person to look like a family member or a friend. And pre-warn you, this is not a day project.
No. It does take a while to get each outfit and hairdo just right.
But it's well worth it.
And it's easy, and we're going to show you how we did it.
Begin by painting the skin tone of your peg person.
Paint your hair and facial features below the hole in the eye ring. Next, paint the base of the clothing. Then add layered details.
Use washi tape to create accessories.
Customize each peg person with their birthday and name. Use a number sticker on the front and a paper cutout on the back. Attach the paper cutout with Mod Podge and seal the entire peg doll with Mod Podge.
Add the 12 months across the board by either hand lettering or add stickers. Next, add an eye hook under each month.
Use jump rings to attach the peg people together and to attach them to the board. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I love the people so much.
Yeah, and you know what? This project actually works really well for me because I remember nobody's birthday.
He doesn't even have a calendar. I'm like, Steve, guess whose birthday it is?
No, now I don't have to worry about it because there it is. Perfect. All our friends and family displayed.
And you know what's so cool? This makes a great gift. I mean, this is great to hang on your own wall. I think it's a really fun project to make for yourself and for your own home. But this is an amazing gift that you could give to someone like a grandma who maybe has a lot of grandkids.
And it's so personalized and unique.
Yes.
I love it.
If you want to see more Make It with Mod Podge, be sure to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave us any questions or comments, and we'll be happy to get back to you.
Thanks, guys.
See you next time.
Bye. You know what's my favorite?
So adorable.
My favorite.